Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Clamptite Tool Kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tool kits for anyone working with clamping applications, offering a comprehensive range of tools designed to create robust and reliable over-the-top clamps for various tasks, from plumbing and automotive repairs to woodworking and DIY projects, ensuring a secure and stable hold on your workpieces, making it an invaluable asset for both professionals and home enthusiasts alike. Number 5. CLT05 Wire Clamp Tool. This handy tool lets you create strong clamps from readily available wire. It's perfect for quick repairs and securing various items. Use it to fashion clamps from ordinary wire, even coat hangers. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use. It's ideal for repairing damaged hoses and handles. Quickly and easily fix broken items around the house or workshop. It's built with plated steel and aluminum for long-lasting durability. This ensures it can handle various tasks without breaking. This tool is a must-have for any toolbox. Its compact size and multiple uses make it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. It comes with a 360-foot spool of .032 safety wire. You'll be ready to tackle any clamping job right away. What we like. It can make clamps from ordinary wire, even coat hangers. This is perfect if you need a versatile tool for various repairs. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable solution for quick fixes around the house or workshop, this is the one for you. What people say. It worked like a charm. Used stainless steel wire and tool and clamped fitting. It is never coming off. I used it on an air hose pushing 150 psi with no problems. I really like that there are no protrusions to cut or scratch me or what I'm working on. Received the tool and have been experimenting with different clamp applications. I would suggest, should a person not have internet to watch demos, to include a one-page demo of basic clamp applications. Number 4. Clamptite CLT07. This is the Clamptite CLT07, a versatile tool perfect for various applications. Its robust design ensures durability and reliability. With its 6.34-inch length, it offers excellent reach and clamping capacity. It's ideal for a wide range of tasks. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, making it resistant to corrosion and wear. This ensures long-lasting performance. The 7/16-inch zinc-plated steel hex nut provides a secure and reliable clamping mechanism. It's easy to tighten and adjust. This tool is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It's a reliable addition to any toolbox. It's perfect for various applications, from woodworking to automotive repair. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool. What we like. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. This is ideal if you need a heavy-duty tool for demanding tasks. If you value quality and longevity in your tools, then this is the right choice for you. What people say. Works great for making clamps with 0.062 safety wire. Works as expected and provides a heavy-duty clamping force. This tool works great, I even use some fairly stiff galvanized 12-gauge wire with it. Number 3. Clamptite CLT05 Clamp. This handy tool lets you create custom clamps from readily available wire. It's a must-have for any toolbox. Easily transform ordinary wire, even coat hangers, into strong, reliable clamps. It's incredibly versatile. It's ideal for quick repairs on hoses, handles, and more. Keep it handy for unexpected fixes. Made from plated steel and aluminum for lasting durability. The wing nut ensures a secure grip. This compact tool is small enough to fit in any toolbox, but powerful enough for a variety of tasks. You'll be glad to have it on hand. Please be aware that international products may have different labeling or instructions. They are sold from abroad and may vary from local products. What we like. It's incredibly versatile, creating clamps from everyday wire. It's great if you need a tool for various repairs. If you are looking for a handy tool for various repairs around the house or workshop, this is the one for you. What people say. Allows two wires to act as a clamp and tighten evenly around hose. Easy to use, and if you are unsure, there are videos on YouTube that show you how. I used it for garden hose, clamping conductors for soldering, decorative wire accents, and to save my kitchen trash can, which cracked from being used to its limits. It works exactly as described first try. Custom clamps. They look factory made when done. Number 2. CLT01 Wire Tool. This is the CLT01, a robust tool built for the demanding tasks of wire handling. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand even the toughest jobs. It's crafted from machined stainless steel, creating a seamless one-piece body and nose for exceptional strength and longevity. The bronze nut adds to its resilience. This tool was designed with the professional craftsman in mind. It's perfect for those who need a reliable tool that can handle heavy-duty wire work. It's built to last. It's designed to withstand the rigors of clamping, binding, and pulling wire, ensuring the job gets done right, every time. Watch how easily it handles tough wire. Its design makes even the most challenging tasks simple and efficient. Experience the difference of a tool built to withstand years of use. It's an investment in quality and reliability. What we like. This one is machined from stainless steel for superior durability. It's perfect if you need a tool for heavy-duty wire clamping. If you are a detail-oriented craftsman who needs a robust tool for tough jobs, this is the best option for you. What people say. Ease of use, compact size, little pricey, but make good-looking wire clamps. You can make any clamp size you want. Definitely need a little room to use it, but even if you can't push the tool all the way over, you can push with a flathead screwdriver while cutting the wire to get it almost just as tight as using it properly. Still tight enough for the radiator hoses on my dirt bike that I just could not get to stop leaking with the Honda hose clamps on these aftermarket radiators. Tool is beautiful and I'm sure it will last forever. It's very well machined from high-quality inox bar stock, threaded rod and brass. Simple and elegant. It looks incredible. Gift-worthy. It was smaller than I expected. Number 1. Kit CLT01 4-Wire Clamp Tool. This handy tool lets you create clamps from ordinary wire, even coat hangers. It's a simple solution for various repair needs. It's incredibly versatile. You can easily fashion strong, reliable clamps whenever and wherever you need them. It's perfect for quick fixes around the house or workshop. Repair damaged hoses and handles with ease. This tool is a valuable addition to any toolbox. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry. With its durable stainless steel construction and convenient design, it's built to last. Get yours today. It comes with 220 feet of .041 safety wire and an aluminum bronze T-bar nut. Everything you need is right in the kit. What we like. It easily makes clamps from ordinary wire, even coat hangers. This is perfect if you need a versatile tool for various repairs. If you're looking for a complete kit with extra safety wire, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Simple device that works great. Don't have to have an assortment of hose clamps of different sizes. Hose clamps never worked well if you had to cinch them down, leaving a tail of band sticking out. They tightened unevenly in cases like that. Absolutely. I practiced with several gauges of wire to the heaviest gauge of soft steel wire I wanted for the purpose. It worked perfectly. I admired some of the homemade devices on YouTube to do this task and settled for paying for Clamptite and its postage to New Zealand because of its apparent design and usability. It is well made. My small use so far has shown the advantages of this type of clamp against current screw clamp types of design. My guess at this time is that the clamp, with the right wire, will outlast the hose. This is a quality tool that will last. The package I ordered came with a 1-pound can of .041 SS safety wire. I'm sure that will last a long time too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.